Coming closer to the 2025 season, we have some more rider news, and that is Mark Fineis. Fineis? I don't know. Again, I butcher last names. I am sorry. Has re-signed with the Muck-Off FXR ClubMx Yamaha. That is after the 2024 season, which was his rookie season, finishing 21st overall in Pro Motocross and 36th overall in the SMX playoffs. Now, obviously, being that it was his rookie season, he didn't race didn't race the Supercross. So 2025 will be his first full season in the SMX playoffs, whatever you want to call it, series, way the format, whatever. He did have a quote saying, "Getting my rookie season behind me is a bit of a relief. There was a lot to learn from the team and all the stresses that go along with travel and racing. Now that I know what to expect, I feel like I can do much better this season. Except for a short break when the season ended, the training at Club MX has never stopped. I really wanted to immerse myself in the new training and fitness program to get ready for Supercross, and the work has been paying off. The other deciding factor was the bike. My team built some amazing bikes last season, and now they have found more power for this season. The thing is crazy fast, and I'm excited for the opportunity to continue on with them." So obviously, this is rookie season. Probably not going to be chasing championships. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? If everything runs out well, it could happen. Might not. Owner Brandon Haas said, quote, "It is good to have Mark re-sign for next season. I know what he is capable of, and now it is up to us to get him up front. There is no lack of effort on his part when it comes to training and racing, and as he matures in the role, he has become better with feedback and input to the bike to get the bike where he wants it. Now we will take it to the next level in 2025, and everyone else will see why we have such an interest in this kid." Now, I don't know if this is a 1-year deal, 2-year deal, which we'll see. I guess depends on what happens in 2026, or I guess maybe how well he does this year. But I don't know. Comment down below. You guys tell me, how well do you think he's going to do? Who do you think is going to win A1? Are you excited for the upcoming season? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.